everyone! Today I'm doing full face of affordable makeup, aka drugstore makeup, and some of these products I've never used, I have no idea how they work, and some of them I have and I love them. And I'm gonna start moisturizing my skin, and as always I'm using my Neutrogena. I forgot to pin my hair. Okay, I'll do it later. Eee! It's in my hair. Let's pin this hair up. So as I said, some of this makeup I've never used, so it's gonna be kind of a first impression. And I'm starting off with e.l.f. hydrating face primer. Let's try this baby out. I'm gonna pump. Ooh, okay. It's like a Smashbox photo finish primer. Okay, not bad, not bad. I'm gonna apply it on my T-zone. Ooh, it's thick. This feels good. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it does? No, it doesn't. And for beauty blender, I picked up this beauty sponge from e.l.f. It comes with these two little sponges. Like, you get 3 sponges, and it looks like this. It's pretty soft compared to the actual beauty blender. Please focus. Okay, see, it's a little like they're both damp, and it's a little bigger than the beauty blender, and beauty blender is a little softer, but I mean, it's not bad. So let's try this out. For foundation, I picked up this e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, so let's see how it performs. I'm gonna dot this on my face. Guys, the sponge is making my life harder. It's not soft enough, so it's a little difficult to blend your foundation with it, and I do not like it. So this is the foundation after applying 2 layers. It's definitely not like full coverage, but I mean, it looks nice. I'm not mad at it. It's just the sponge that pisses me off. Okay, for contour I picked this L'Oreal foundation stick, and it's in the shade
One eternity later.
I don't know. It's just a dark shade. And I'm gonna oh boy, it's dark. Oh. Let's roll with it. I hope this makeup won't turn into a disaster. I'm scared because I applied too much. Let's blend this out. Are you ready? Oh, wait a minute. Blends out really nice. Do you like my contour? Okay, I'm gonna try to save this situation with this Maybelline concealer. It's the Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and hope for the best. Okay, I somehow managed to save the situation. And I'm gonna set my face now. I have this Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powders, and I picked shade 20 light medium and 30 medium deep as my bronzer. And now I'm using the shade 30, like in a pan like this, to bronze up my face. I mean, just set my face at this point. And I'm just gonna pat it on my face like this. I also picked up this Wet n Wild bronzer that I really want to try. So let's see how this performs. I feel like it's too light maybe, because this doesn't do anything. Hello? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go over the powder one more time. Today's contour was definitely a struggle because I've never used this guy right here. It's really intense. I definitely should have picked up a lighter shade. Now I know. Okay, now I'm gonna contour my nose, and I picked this Milani brushes. So there is 3 brushes in here, and I'm gonna use this one for my nose, and I'm gonna dip into this non-existent bronzer and try to contour my nose with it. I mean, it's not that bad. I'm just being a little dramatic. And for blush, I'm using this Milani blush. It looks really pretty in the pan, so let's see. Okay, now I see something. Now I see something. Okay, moving on to the brows. I'm using this NYX brow pencil, which everyone says is a dupe for Anastasia Brow Wiz. So let's see. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna prep my eyelids with the same concealer. For eyeshadow, I picked up this Revlon mini eyeshadow palette that I somehow managed to salvage, but we're still gonna use it. I hate this. I'm using this Milani eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna dip into this lighter shade first, and I'm gonna set this concealer. Now I'm using this darker brown color here. Now I'm using this color here, the broken, and going over the eyelid. Kind of blend this line together. I'm using a smaller brush and going back to the same colors for my lower lash line. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm using this NYX Epic ink liner. For highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I'm using this smaller brush from Milani package. I'm gonna highlight under my brows, the inner corners, and my nose. For lips, I'm using LA Girl lip liner in the shade Bare. And for lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Nude Lipstick in the shade 650. That is it for today's look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video.